A Valley businessman has teamed up with medical experts to promote a different approach to treating concussions.
Jennifer Balagish explains while the breakthrough method is still in its research stage, it could change the way many other ailments are treated.
A study by Purdue University finds high school football players who were never diagnosed with concussions showed brain changes, facts that President and CEO of Premier Biomedical raised at a recent United Nations conference and explained to me at his Grove City home.
They had somewhere between 200 and 1,900 hits to the head in a single season.
The YSU alum, who had an extensive administrative career in the auto industry, has now partnered with a local physician, the U.S. Army, and the University of Texas, El Paso. They are researching a method of treatment that removes adverse proteins created by brain injuries from spinal fluid.
The molecular compounds that cause the disease are what we remove.
The removal process is in the form of dialysis.
And basically we extract either cerebrospinal fluid from a spinal tap or blood for blood-borne diseases. And we basically process it through, and basically we sense the intensity of the disease. In other words, what's the intensity of the molecules that we're trying to eliminate. And then here we have an injection system, a mixing chamber where we inject exactly the antibody necessary to counteract these molecular compounds.
The Army has vetted Premier Biomedical's technology for 3 years. The Department of Defense has partnered with the company because of the many veterans who are suffering from head trauma. However, the company also has prospective partnerships with the NFL, NASCAR, and the NCAA. And Hartman says the method doesn't stop at brain injuries.
We've identified some 19 diseases that this technology is immediately applicable to, and maybe more.
Animal testing is currently taking place, and Hartman hopes that by the beginning of 2015, human clinical trials can begin. With more local news, I'm Jennifer Balagish.
A former Olympic athlete was in Mercer County today to